Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix an app not installed in your Android phone. So guys, if you want to install your app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of app management. So guys, you need to click on it. And guys, after this, here is the option of special app access. So guys, you need to click here. And guys, here is the option of install unknown apps. So guys, click here. And guys, after this, here you need to open the source of that file that you want to install in your in your Android phone. So guys, for example, I have downloaded this file from Google Chrome. So guys, if you are downloading this from Google Chrome and the source of this file is Google Chrome, then you need to turn on it. So guys, if it is turned off, then you need to turn on it. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, if you are downloading this from Google Drive, then you need to on this feature. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, if you are installing it from your file manager, then make sure that it is on. So guys, if it is off, then you need to on it. So guys, first of all, on from these all of these that feature in which your file is present. So like I have, if you are downloaded this file from WhatsApp, then you need to allow this. And guys, after allow all the features from this, you need to go back. And guys, after this, check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then you need to open your settings again. So guys, after doing this, you need to scroll down and click on system. And guys, after this, here is the option of reset phone. So guys, you need to click here. And guys, after this, you need to click on erase all the data. So guys, you need to reset phone. So guys, if you want to if you do not want to reset your phone, then you need to go back and click on system update. And guys, you need to update your phone to latest version. So guys, here is the option of online updates. You need to update your phone and check for updates. So guys, if you have any kind of update in your phone, then you need to update it. And guys, after doing update, you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to check that file that you want to install. So guys, you need to search this file in your Google Play Store. So guys, here you need to search that file. So for example, I am searching Fiverr. So guys, you need to search here file. And guys, after this, you need to install from here. So guys, you need to install it. So guys, you can install this file easily from this Google Play Store. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, if your file is not found in your Google Play Store, so guys, then you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to open any other internet browser. So guys, open it. And guys, after this, you need to wait for its opening. And guys, after this, here you need to search your application name. So for example, I am searching Fiverr app. So guys, here you need to search Fiverr. And guys, after writing your application name, then you need to write any website name. So my website name is like from where I am downloading APK Pure. So guys, after this, you need to click it. And guys, you need to open it from first link. And guys, after doing all the steps, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download and install that app that you want to install in your phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.